Ever heard of a natural refrigerator out in the forest? Today, we're going to show you the oldest operating wind cave in Japan. 1874, this is what the Japanese used to store their silkworm eggs and ice. These natural refrigerators were reportedly formed during the eruption of Mount Asama, which towers over this part of Nagano. It is pretty cool in here. They monitor the temperature. When you visit the deepest part of the wind cave, the temperature is only 2 degrees, even when the outside temperature is over 30 degrees. So it's interesting when you come up here, the temperature rises dramatically. Amazingly, this wind cave is still being used today.